Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install YouTube on HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. Let's begin. Now for this we'll need Google Play, but Google Play and basically anything Google related cannot be accessed in a normal way on Huawei phones, so we'll need to use an application called GSpace, and in here we'll use our Google Play clone. If you're wondering how to install it and how to set it up and how to use it, we have a video about that, so don't worry. So now we have our basically list of our applications that we can use, and I will simply hit YouTube here. And as you can see now, we are the GSpace is loading Google Play Store, and in here we simply hit install. And it will install for a moment. It depends on the strength of your Wi-Fi, obviously, but it shouldn't take that much long, I hope, I think. There's still, the YouTube itself won't be really downloaded on your phone, like you won't have physical access to it, if I remember correctly. You'll still use, let's see, yep, it's still, as everything else, a clone of GSpace. But that's all you have to do. Now you can just freely log into your Google account and do whatever you want. And now we can see that this fire icon is gone, and you can just enable and open both of these applications. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.